Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivan. Today I want to introduce the refrigerator in our Commander of Road Trader. Let's go. First of all, this refrigerator is located right next to the outdoor kitchen. So it is very convenient when you need to group food or drinks while cooking outside. The refrigerator also has a 50-liter capacity, providing plenty of space for food, drinks, fruits, and companion support during your trips. Now let's take a closer look at the control panel. These buttons are used to adjust the refrigerator temperature. The plus button increases the temperature, while the minus button lowers the temperature. It can be used for both refrigerator and freezing depending on your needs. The refrigerator can cool down around minus 20 degrees Celsius. So even during hot summer camping, you can still enjoy the freedom of having ice cream anytime. If you like our campers, feel free to leave me your contact information and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.